right, guys, let's talk about a common problem we see all the time on the Ford's F150s. It's throughout several different years. And the symptom you're gonna have is your cruise control. It will first start off as it intermittently will work, not work, it works, and you'll hit the switch, nothing comes up on the dash. Today we have a 2016 Ford F150. It's doing exactly that. We've seen this problem multiple times, and it's becoming a pretty common repair that we see through the shop. And like the symptom, like I said, is you have no cruise control. A lot of times the customer or someone's replaced the actual cruise control switch on the steering wheel, which I'll show you what that looks like in a second. But what we've seen every time is this right here. If you don't know what this is actually a steering control module. It has a clock spring on there, it's got the turn signal, it's all built into this one unit right here. So what we find is there's a break within, is an open circuit within this module itself. Therefore, it's not getting the signal to turn on the cruise control. So that's your fault. Like I said, you just gotta do a few pinpoint testing to confirm that. But every time we've seen this problem, it's always been this. I'm not saying the switch can't be bad or faulty, but not in the cases that we have seen. And this does have to be programmed when you replace this. If you do not program this, you're not gonna have anything working on that steering column at all as far as the cruise control and stuff. So if you do switch this module out, which you have to get a Ford product, I don't think there's aftermarket, which I would recommend it, but you'll have to have someone that's able to program to configure this module. So once you configure it, then you can confirm, hey, cruise control is now working again. But just want to kind of bring it up because this is a pretty common problem. A lot of people misdiagnose it. All right, so what we normally see, like I said, is this module, not the actual cruise control switch, which I'll show you. So this is where the cruise control switch is on the steering wheel right here. Like I said, we have not seen this go bad. It's always the steering control module in our case. And that module, you have to pull off this airbag, you have to pull the clamshells off, and then pull off the actual steering wheel. And then you'll have this bolts on to the actual steering assembly, and then you unbolt it, pull it off, and just replace it. And then there's going to be a lock for the clock spring here. So once you pull that lock, this will move. Try to keep it in a similar spot, because the steering wheel goes over those two notches right here. You don't want to let this spin on you, because you can ruin this. It's a clock spring, it's got a ribbon inside. So you want to keep it in the same position, so you can slide the steering wheel right over this, and then you can bolt it back together. But yeah, just want to bring you in, let you know, hey, we've been seeing this. If you have this issue, take a look at this item. Most likely it's going to be your culprit. Any questions, ask them below. Till the next video, see ya.